Most people think this place is in Europe or the Caribbean, but it's actually in Africa. Can you guess the country? What if I told you there is a country where Africa, Asia, and Europe meet? A land of crystal-clear lagoons, hidden waterfalls, volcanic mountains, and one of the most peaceful multicultural societies on Earth? Welcome to Mauritius, a small island nation with a big story. One thing is certain. You will enjoy this video, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Mauritius is located in the Indian Ocean, about 2,000 kilometers off the east coast of Africa, near Madagascar and Réunion Island. Before humans arrived, Mauritius was completely uninhabited. No native population. Just forests, birds, and wildlife, including the now famous dodo bird, which became extinct in the 1600s. Mauritius gained independence from Britain in 1968 and became a republic in 1992. Today, it's known as one of Africa's most successful democracies.
siphila ngendlela yethu. Siyavumelana, 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 wena ungowakho. Siyavumelana, siyavumelana, wena ungowakho. Njalo,
Mauritius is one of the most culturally diverse nations in the world. The population is made up of Indo-Mauritians, majority, Creoles, African descent, Sino-Mauritians, Franco-Mauritians, temples, mosques, churches, and pagodas often stand just minutes apart. Languages spoken: English, official; French; Mauritian Creole, most common; Bhojpuri, Hindi, Tamil, Urdu, and Chinese dialects. This diversity creates one of the most peaceful multicultural societies in the world. Mauritius is ranked as one of Africa's richest countries per capita, one of the least corrupt in Africa, one of the easiest African countries to do business. Mauritius' natural beauty: endless white sand beaches, crystal clear blue lagoons, vibrant coral reefs, lush green mountains, powerful waterfalls.
Amatafaya akhuluma izindaba ngibamba isandla sihambe ndawonye silwela umgomo wokukhanya ukukhanya kuyasondela.
Mauritius stands as one of Africa's greatest stories of transformation. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel,